What's up guys, and welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to update your Windows 10 to 1903. So maybe you think that we can just update from update this, but you can't update it. Maybe in some areas, but not in my place, not in here. So you can go to Microsoft.com, Windows 10, also software download Windows 10, or just search for Windows 10 tools like this. Now you can download this Windows 10 upgrade, or you can download this one, Windows tool. So what this does, what this can do. We close this window. This one is Windows Update Assistant. It says here, Windows 10 Update Assistant. The other one, it can create ISO file. So if you click on this, you run it, then you have to click on yes. Version is 1903. Is May 2019 update for Windows 10. So we have to wait a little bit. Wait more. Yes guys, we have to accept the old Microsoft license terms, otherwise we cannot continue. Accept, getting a few things ready. Upgrade this PC now. You can upgrade, click next, or you can create installation media, USB flash driver, USB DVD, like that. Continue. You can click on this Windows 10 with what language you want. No, there are several languages here. English is good. Windows 10. You can create 32-bit or 64. In my case, 64 is good. Click on next. You can create USB flash, but in my experience, I had some problem with this. I don't know why, but in the middle of processing, it gave me errors. So I prefer to choose this one, ISO file. So you can download it You can download the ISO file in your computer. Then you can use Rufus to create USB installer. Okay guys, this is how you create USB installer, but in here we want to upgrade directly. But before everything, I recommend that you back up your Windows. It may something happen and you lose all your data. Please back up. Windows 10 Update Assistant. I have to click on this user control, yes. In here it says update to the latest version of Windows 10. One of the best features of Windows 10 is that it keeps getting better with every update. This PC is currently not running the latest and most secure version of Windows 10. This PC is running version 1809. The latest version is 1903. We can help you get the latest security enhancements and future improvement. Click update now to get started. Okay, we'll click on update. CPU okay, memory okay, disk space okay. Click on next. Now we have to wait. I don't know how long. Depend on your internet speed and your computer speed. So my internet speed is 250 megabit per second. So we will see how long it takes. Welcome back, guys. Yes, the update is finished and it says Windows 10 Update Assistance, thank you for updating to the latest version of Windows 10. Exit. And oh, my cloud apps not coming back. That's make me happy. Here we look at which version we have. Yes, guys, Windows 10 Pro 1903, 25 of May 2019. Okay, guys, I finally updated my Windows 10 to the latest version using, update assistance. But I recommend to use the ISO file and install, clean installation, because you can see here it's not working. You have click on up, it's not working. It just disappear. It's crashing. I don't know why. Anyway, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.